actually have to go to the DMV and get my picture taken. I mistakenly let my license expire, and it's been about 5 months, and I didn't notice because I don't do anything where anyone looks at my license. So, I mean, I must have gotten something in the mail and just not acknowledged it or forgotten about it or put it somewhere important, and I have no idea where it is. I have no idea. But anyways, I noticed when I was re-upping my FBI check, because I'm a teacher and we have to do like the child abuse, criminal, and FBI checks. And anyways, I went and I gave her my license and she's like, this expired in February. And I was like, oh my God. Anyways, so I went to the DMV yesterday, but I didn't realize that they're closed on Mondays. So, did my makeup, got all ready. Thought I was ready for a picture that I was, you know, gonna have to keep in my wallet for 4 years. And they were closed. So, I already did my base and brows. So we are just going to do, I figure, something kind of basic and light that I won't mind theoretically seeing for 4 years, although apparently it might be 4.5 years if I keep forgetting to redo it. Anyways, okay, if you're interested in my base and brow routine, it's been kind of the same recently. So if you want to see that, I will link something above, and that will be a routine that shows you what I've been doing lately. Let's do skin. So I'm going to go in with the Butter Bronzer. I've been using the shade Deep. And I'm going to use the Real Techniques setting brush. So using this obviously as a bit of a contour and a bronzer. And I just have to be a little more cautious because I have the darker bronzer color. I have the lighter one too, but I like the formula a lot, so I feel like I don't mind using either one. I figure it's summer, I could fake a little bit more color. For my eyes, I'm going to go into the Naked 2 palette. I've just been liking, I feel like I would show you the palette, but I can't because I dropped it. I've dropped a lot of my palettes. Anyways, and I tried to show this in another video and I like put it sideways and all the colors fell out. And then I had to figure out where they went. Anyways, I'm gonna go into the matte color Tease. This is one of the E.L.F. It's kind of like a thicker, like dome brush. I'm gonna go into Tease, which is a nice matte color, and use this as my transition shade and just buff it into the crease. I'm going to use the Real Techniques shading brush, and I'm going to go in with that same color and put this on the lower lash line, concentrating on the outer edge, but buffing it all the way in. And then for the lid, I'm going to use Foxy, a matte, like beige off-white, and just put that on my lid. Okay, so I'm going to use the NYX Brown Perfection. This is the waterproof dark brown eyeliner, and I'm just going to do just like a nice basic line on the upper lash line. And I do really like these NYX liners because they do not transfer even with my hooded eyes. So there's something to be said for that. Okay, so now I'm going to curl and do mascara. I've been doing the Maybelline Lash Sensational. And then for lips, I've been doing something that's just very cute and peachy. So I've been doing the color Sensational. It's the Maybelline lip liner in 105 Nude Whisper. So I line and fill in a bit with this. This is my new favorite. I go in with the NYX Butter Gloss in Fortune Cookie, which is like such a pretty nude. Alright, I think I want to add a bit of blush. So I'm going to go into the Wet n Wild Color Icon in Pearlescent Pink. And I also dropped this, so I can't show you. But everything is always linked below, I promise. I'll just stop dropping things. Alright guys, so that is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed, and please let me know if you have any questions or requests. Thank you.